on this computer. So it's Tuesday, January 17th. Here's our agenda for the day. We have a new language arts lesson. We're to lesson 405. So you should have already done, submitted 401, 402, 403, and 404. And this is 405. We're almost to the end of this unit. We will finish it next week. And then afterwards, we will go to a flex week, which I know you guys like. We're going back to kind of the open one where you get to do what you want. And then after that, we have subtraction of fractions, 708, new lesson. I'm actually going to have the substitute teach this lesson tomorrow. So if you want to look at it ahead of time, you can. Nothing's due today. She's going to go through it tomorrow. Subtraction models, I'll do that one today, this afternoon. We are to our writing lesson, adding evidence. We should be finishing our third body paragraph today. So all we have left to do then while the sub is here is the conclusion and revising it. Our writer celebration will be on Monday. And then the Heart of Reading book club is at 1:30. We've got the reading cats today, although I don't see Nora or Sasha here, Vivi, so we'll see what happens. Hopefully they'll come back at 11. I saw Sasha this morning, but she disappeared. At 2 o'clock, our science content lesson is a review of Mod 5. Remember, I didn't assign all of the assignments in Mod 5. We were going through it quickly, but we're going to use the assessment because you need to review it. We're going to use it as kind of like a practice thing, but we're all going to take it. So we are going to review and take the Mod 5 assessment today so we can start on Mod 7 tomorrow. I will not grade it. It is ungraded, but I want you to read through it because you need to know those concepts. If you find you don't know them, you should go back and review them. And then at 2:30, we have the Untitled Book Club. So that is what's happening today. And then this week, if you look, we've got lesson 405 today and tomorrow, lesson 406 on Thursday and Friday. So just 2 lessons in language arts. The end of 406 is where you submit your essay. So it should be done by Friday. If you have not started your essay, you need to get on it. We've been doing it every day. If you've been coming to writing at 12:20, you should be in great shape because we do a little bit of writing every day, a few sentences every day. Yes, Eli.
Miss Laws, I missed the last 12:20, so I didn't do the car catalyst paragraph.
Okay, so you need to do it, right? You'll just have to get into it and do it. You'll have to go into that chapter and write that paragraph. You can always look back at the assignment, Eli, with the recorded lesson if you need to. That's another thing I was going to point out this week is I'm not going to have my substitute post the lessons because it's a little tricky how you record and post the lessons. So if you miss a lesson, don't expect that you're going to be able to go back and find it if you're a kid who depends on the recordings. After today, they won't be recorded on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Here's math, 708 today, 709 tomorrow, 7:10 on Thursday, and 7:11 on Friday. So we have 1 lesson a day every day this week. So stay on top of math. And then the book clubs in writing, you're finishing up your third body paragraph today. You're doing your conclusion tomorrow. You're editing and publishing on Thursday and submitting on Friday. And these kids are the kids who have not read for the class, at least I don't think so. So Javier, Anna, Sophia, Bree, Halme, Jax, Luis, Evie, Megan, and Mila. I have that you guys have not read out loud for the class. Did any of you read and I missed it or forgot to write it down? I'm not hearing anything. So I'm expecting you guys to read this essay to the class. Sorry, go ahead.
I read.
What's that? I mean, when we do our writers celebrations, you read your writing out loud to the whole group. Have you done that yet?
Well, I read other essays out loud.
To this group of kids?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So that's Evie. You did it already?
Yeah, I read a few of my Flex Week. I wrote an essay for Flex Week once.
Okay, and you got to read that one to the class. Okay.
Yeah, about ferrets.
All right. Thanks for letting me know, Evie. I took you off of there. Anybody else who I made a mistake on that? I think Sophia intended to read last time, but then you missed that meeting, honey. You were all ready to go, but you missed it. Okay. And then in science, we're finishing up mod 5, doing the assessment today. So if you do not come to science, please go in and do this mod 5 assessment. Remember that it's going to be ungraded. It's going to say it's graded, but it's going to be ungraded. And then it's electric. Tomorrow we're going to start 7:01 and 7:02 is on Thursday. So that's kind of the week at a glance. Any questions about that? No? Okay. The next thing we're going to do is actually take a look at our perseverance slideshow. Remember, this month, our character trait we're working on is perseverance, sticking with it, doing our best, trying our hardest. And so if I share that, we have those games. Remember, the last one we did was that kind of hard one where the balloon was dropping. So we're going to try a different game. So whoever speaks out loud first, because I'm not looking at chat, we already did Don't Touch the Ground. Do you want to do character curiosity, action favorites, or cards of courage? Unmute and tell me. Nobody says anything.
Action favorites.
Action favorite.
Okay, action favorites it is, my friends. Let's try it. I don't know what it is. Choose a number to see a category and a descriptive word. Let's make it big. Choose a number to see a category and a descriptive word. Share 2 things you like from that category in the style of the word provided. For example, weather plus quietly. Share your favorite kinds of weather in a whisper. Oh, so the weather is the topic and quietly is how you share it. Okay, so if you're not going to talk, you need to respond in chat. I'm going to open the chat up and here we go. 1, 2, or 3. Let's start with 1. Here we go. Foods plus happily. Chocolate. So say happy voice.
Chips.
Or put it in the chat in a happy way. I'm not hearing anything, guys. Come on, I need food, a happy food. Tell me a happy food you like.
Hot Cheetos.
Hot Cheetos.
French fries.
Oh, yeah.
Candy.
Candy. What kind of candy?
I don't know.
What's the best kind of candy?
Reese's.
Reese's, I agree. All right, let's go to the next one. Are you ready? Everybody responding. Emotions plus seriously. Silliness. Make your most serious face and say an emotion.
Happy.
Oh, that was good. That was happy in a serious way. Give me an emotion, guys. I need to hear from you.
I
There's
don't know how to do this. Serious plus an emotion.
yeah, so you say something like sadness. You say it seriously.
Oh, happy.
Okay. All right, let's try the last one. Shows on TV plus kindly.
Not Frozen 2, that's for sure.
The Good Witch.
The Good Witch?
Uh-huh.
What? I don't even think I heard
It's a
that.
Hallmark show. It's
Nothing.
super
A
cheap.
kindly show.
No, you have to just say it kindly. Okay, we're done. That was kind of a silly one, I think. All right, you guys, it's 9 o'clock. If you have a question for me, stay on. I want to make sure you've shared your essay with me. I have these kids who I haven't seen them yet. I know that you've been gone, Amoy, but I need your essay. Anna, Javier, Nora, Christian isn't here, Jax isn't here, and Luis essays need to be shared. Megan and Mila, or no, Megan and Sasha and Vivi, I'm not sure you've shared your essays with me yet. Okay, I'll see you guys after specials. Go ahead and take a quick break, go to the bathroom, get a drink of water, run around the house, do some push-ups, and I'm gonna go say hi to Luis.
Bye.
Bye, guys. Any questions? Amoy, do you have a question? Okay. And Amoy, you can have a little extra time. We're going to have a flex week. So if you need to use the flex week to catch up on things you missed, that's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, here comes Christian. He's a little late.